Today on Book Talk, we have a very special book, 12 Rules for Life, An Antidote to Chaos, by the one and only Dr. Jordan B. Peterson. Press subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update on the Young Conservatives. Jordan B. Peterson is a Canadian clinical psychologist and professor of psychology at University of Toronto. He is currently one of world's foremost intellectuals. His raw and unfettered views on politics, culture and critical issues facing society today has put him on the global stage of intellectual discourse and also gained him his fair share of critics. Peterson published his second book, 12 Rules for Life, on January 2018, which sold over 3 million copies by January 2019. 12 Rules for Life is primarily a self-help book. The 12 rules form the 12 chapters in the book, each chapter describing each rule. The book provides life advice through essays on abstract ethical principles, psychology, mythology, religion, and personal anecdotes. The book lays a tremendous emphasis on the need for meaning and purpose in one's life. It lays emphasis on the distinction between good and bad, on the distinction between order and chaos. He draws inspiration and highlights the works of individuals like Friedrich Nietzsche, Carl Jung, Viktor Frankl, Alexander Solzhenitsyn, and others. He draws broader philosophical meanings from biblical stories and explains how contemporary stories of today are extrapolations of many archetypal truths or at least represent the same values. He draws lessons from science, religious stories, and works of many great thought leaders and shows a path on how to incorporate those lessons in daily life. So what are the 12 rules for life? Rule 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. Rule 2. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Rule 3. Make friends with people who want the best for you. Rule 4. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Rule 5. Do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. Rule 6. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Rule 7. Do what is meaningful, not what is expedient. Rule 8. Tell the truth or at least don't lie. Rule 9. Assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't. Rule 10. Be precise in your speech. Rule 11. Do not bother children when they are skateboarding. Rule 12. Pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. So those are the 12 rules for life. It is a brilliant book with terrific writing and above all very engaging. The book captivates the reader into Peterson's world of gods and goddesses, monsters and demons, angels and witches, punishment and reward, order and chaos, and how they take shape in our lives. A must read for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.